What's up, Devin? What's up, Maya? My name is Devin Norton, sweet name. And in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Lions Roofing. Because if you look up Roofing Phoenix AZ, these guys show up first, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can beat them. Now, you're probably asking, Devin, why would you even make this video for us? It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them, they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, most people just take this information and do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people, though, they call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. My only goal is to help educate you and show you how you can make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, this website is super unique. I have never seen a website like this. It looks like a newscast right when you land on it, which is really just eye-catching. It's definitely not going to get somebody to click off your website right away. And at the end of the day, that's what we want, is their attention. Then you've got call to actions around the website so they can actually convert into a lead. It's a very clean looking website, nice strong fonts, before and afters. Great looking website for sure. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is all of this content right here, everything that you can read and you can highlight. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content. And if I paste your content into this word counter, you're almost there. So great job. I don't think even Lions has that many words. The good thing is, though, is if you do add in some more words, like another 1,500, or if you get yourself up to 1,500, you're going to have more room to fit in keywords. Keywords are phrases people commonly type into Google when they're ready to purchase from you. So, like, for example, for this video, I'm using Roofing Phoenix AZ just because it's such a direct keyword. If someone types that in, they're obviously looking for a roofer, and 200 people search that alone every month. Imagine if you showed up number one in front of all those 200 people who are ready to purchase roofing. It would change your business, right? And if I go and I search your homepage, you can see you don't have this anywhere on your page. So you want to make sure that you have that inside of your content. You can also save your images as keywords too. So like this image here, instead of 2023 Best Arizona, this could be saved as Roofing Phoenix AZ, and it'll help you rank for that keyword. And you can do that for all your images, for all these different keywords. So that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. The tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for it. Just Google backlink check. You can find the same information. And it says you're already doing SEO. You have 172 websites linking to you. So great job. Lions Roofing has 528 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would copy them, because if these 528 websites are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. So I would go one by one to each of these websites just like they did and put a link on each website back to my own. A lot of times it's super simple. Like, for example, with Angie or Expertise or Yellow Pages, you just join or get listed or create a free account, and you put a link in your profile back to your website. And that's simple. You've got a backlink from each of these sites. So it's pretty simple. It just takes some time. But if you beat them in content and you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. My last tip is if you want to show up in the map section. Being here requires having more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like Yelp, GAF, Angie, stuff like Better Business Bureau, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Phoenix Roofers was in. I put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. So if Phoenix Roofers was in like 150 directories, then I'd put myself in at least 300. But that's all I've got for you, Devin and Maya. I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords in there like Phoenix Roofing, Roofing Phoenix, Roofers Phoenix, Roofing Phoenix AZ, stuff like that. Then you want to take the websites that are linking to Lions Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Phoenix Roofers. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. The sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do, because your competitors are currently doing this. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done, give me a call. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what you can do next. Either way, It's great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Maya. Great meeting you, Devin. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you later.